everyone, welcome to this episode of Tripping with Silver Daddy. And I'm in St. Cloud, Minnesota. And see this beautiful... We'll start over. Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Tripping with Silver Daddy. I'm in St. Cloud, Minnesota. And see this beautiful thing behind me? It's an old abandoned rock quarry. I'm at Quarry Park and Nature Preserve. And it's really cool. It's 757 acres of land and over 20 rock quarries. 20. The one behind me, they use this for scuba diving. I actually learned how to scuba dive in a rock quarry in Ohio. Very similar to this because they can be very deep. Like the one I was training in was 150 feet deep. So what they've done is they've taken this rock quarry that's been in use, making these giant rocks and that for buildings since like the 1860s. And for over 90 years they were mining here. And they have like 20 of these different quarries. Then in the 1950s, it stopped. Then in the 1990s, the county took over the land, purchased it, and it went back to its natural state. Now, 323 acres is actually deemed SNA, Scientific Nature Areas. So, that's a pretty cool thing. But what they do is it's open to the public. Some of these quarries, they let you go swimming in. And let me tell you, if it's a real hot day, this water's cold. There's nothing better than a nice quarry to go swimming in. So, I'm just glad to be here and see something. If you're ever up in the St. Cloud area, this is definitely a place on these hot days to go check it out. Hey everyone, remember as always, love, peace, and respect. You're watching Tripping with Silver Daddy. Bye!